The greenback hit the highest level in 2 months amid the fears about the second pandemic wave, which is essentially painful in Europe. Today, the U.S. stocks are regaining footing in the New York trade. Investors are absorbing corporate news, awaiting a series of PMIs on the U.S. economy. Futures on the Dow Jones grew 0.73%. Futures on the Nasdaq showed a 0.02% downtick. Futures on the S&P 500 were 0.35% up. Stock investors are responding to the corporate news. The stock of Nike, the U.S. sportswear company, surged over 12% in the American pre-market following an upbeat corporate report. The company boosted its net profits by 11% in the first quarter in annual terms. The stock of the Yandex Internet giant traded on Nasdaq soared 5% in light of the news on the expected purchase of online bank Tinkoff. The US dollar index grew 0.15% to 94.13, the strongest level in 2 months. According to analysts at Commerzbank, the market sentiment is dampened by concerns over the coronavirus resurgence, above all in Europe. This means that the US dollar is in demand again. At the same time, traders should not neglect uncertainty about the outcome of the presidential election in the US. Thus, there are weighty arguments to foresee even higher volatility of the US dollar. Meanwhile, the US dollar versus loonie pair is carrying on with the uptrend. The loonie weakened to 1.3326 against its American peer. Nevertheless, analysts caution traders against robust buying of the U.S. currency on the back of the coronavirus-related threats and the upcoming presidential election in the U.S. Experts warn that the second pandemic wave could make a serious impact on the election outcome. For this reason, the market has been hesitant about the U.S. dollar in the last few days. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you back tomorrow. Bye!